It is the world's most famous sandwich. But how does a Big Mac begin its global journey?
Whether in Tokyo or New York, the taste, texture, and quality remain exactly the same.
Wow, this is the best! With over 39,000 locations, the operational scale of McDonald's is absolutely staggering. To understand this consistency, we must travel back from the tray to the very source.
McDonald's relies on Angus and Hereford breeds, specifically selected for their flavor and marbling.
Strict animal welfare standards are audited regularly to ensure high-quality livestock management.
Whole cuts of beef are ground to precise specifications for that signature texture. There are no binders or fillers. Every patty is made from 100% pure beef.
Infrared technology scans the batch, ensuring a precise 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio. Forming machines stamp out thousands of identical patties every hour with mathematical precision.
The flash freezing process begins in a cryogenic tunnel, using liquid nitrogen to lock in freshness.
In under 2 minutes, the meat is frozen solid, preserving the cellular structure and flavor. Every single patty passes through advanced metal detectors and X-ray scanners to guarantee safety. High-speed cameras analyze the shape and weight, automatically rejecting any patty that isn't perfect. Automated robotic arms stack the frozen patties with incredible speed and absolute precision.
Patties are packed into blue-lined boxes, clearly labeled for global traceability and inventory tracking.
Sealed boxes move toward the cold storage hub, marking the end of the manufacturing phase.
Massive freezers maintain the cold chain at -10 degrees until distribution begins.
A sophisticated warehouse management system tracks millions of pounds of beef in real time. A massive fleet of trucks forms the lifeblood of the McDonald's global distribution network.
Strategic distribution hubs allow for rapid cross-docking, moving product from factory to restaurant. Regional hubs ensure that fresh produce and dairy meet the beef at the local level.
Here are the 10-1 pure beef boxes. Maintain the cold chain all the way.
Excellent, we'll get these right into the freezer.
Looks good.
The first in, first out method ensures that the oldest stock is used before new arrivals. Each box is dated and labeled, maintaining a clear audit trail from farm to kitchen.
As the lunch rush approaches, the kitchen staff prepares the equipment for high-volume service.
Managers perform final safety and hygiene sweeps before the first burger hits the grill.
Ready.
The journey of the world's most famous fries begins in these nutrient-rich Idaho soils. Optical sorters scan thousands of potatoes per minute, ensuring only the best are selected. Pressurized water jets propel potatoes through blades to create that iconic shoestring shape.
A precise blanching process removes excess sugar, preventing the fries from browning too quickly.
Controlled drying is the secret to achieving that signature crisp exterior and fluffy interior.
Buns are baked in high-volume facilities where temperature and humidity are digitally controlled.
Even the distribution of sesame seeds is measured to maintain the classic McDonald's look.
Produce is kept at a constant 34 degrees to ensure maximum crunch and freshness.
Continuous lab testing ensures that every batch of beef meets strict nutritional specifications.
Sustainability initiatives, like renewable energy, are being integrated across the entire supply chain.
Even the signature sauces are transported under strict temperature-controlled conditions.
The restaurant of the future is designed to minimize its environmental footprint.
Digital safety logs replace paper, ensuring every food safety check is instantly verified.
McNuggets are formed into 4 specific shapes to ensure consistent cooking and dipping.
A light tempura coating provides the signature crunch that fans expect globally.
Automation extends to desserts, ensuring the perfect blend of toppings in every McFlurry.
The KVS acts as the brain of the kitchen, optimizing speed and reducing waste.
Standardized tools ensure the flavor profile never varies, regardless of the location. Used cooking oil is recycled into biodiesel to power the very trucks that deliver the supplies.
Here is your order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much.
Smart menu boards use data to suggest the most relevant meals to every customer.
Specific preparation methods, like steaming, are used to maintain the unique textures of different paste sandwiches.
Consistency is key. Every ingredient has its own calibrated tool and method. Is Order 35 ready yet?
Yes, here you go. Drive safely.
Training at Hamburger University ensures that leadership standards are consistent worldwide. The Happy Meal is an exercise in logistical precision, matching toys to global promotions.
The expediter is the final line of defense for quality before the meal reaches the customer.
Cleanliness is a core pillar of the operation, maintained through constant, scheduled routines.
As the timer hits 0, the freshness window closes. These patties must now be discarded to ensure our strict quality standards are met.
In many markets, quarter-pounder beef is cooked fresh for every individual order.
New flavors are rigorously tested for months before they ever appear on a menu.
The partnership with Coca-Cola involves unique filtration systems to ensure a signature crisp taste.
The global scale of the operation, showing that a single burger is the result of thousands of people working together across every continent on Earth.
Breakfast operations require their own set of specialized equipment and precision timing.
Consistency in oil temperature is vital for the perfect fry crunch.
The drive-thru is a high-speed engine designed to serve customers in under 3 minutes.
Packaging is constantly redesigned to use less material while maintaining heat.
Warehouses use voice-activated technology to maximize speed and accuracy.
Retrieve 1 pallet of burger buns.
Confirmed.
Seasonal items like the McRib rely on a secondary supply chain of specialized ingredients.
Portion control is fundamental to maintaining both nutrition and cost standards.
The restaurant serves as a community hub designed for comfort and connection.
The brand's impact extends beyond food through its charitable foundations. Even the dipping sauces are a result of complex flavor engineering.
Maintenance routines happen every few hours to prevent flavor carryover.
No matter the climate or location, the golden arches represent a promise of consistency.
The human element is the engine that drives this massive industrial machine.
Every component, no matter how small, has a specific temperature and cook time.
Speed of service is gamified to keep crews engaged and customers satisfied.
Great job, guys. From shakes to fries, the sensory experience is fine-tuned to perfection.
The brand has survived decades by mastering the art of the pivot. As the world changes, the journey of the burger continues to find new paths. 24 hours a day, the supply chain never truly sleeps.
It is more than a logo. It is a global standard for industrial food production.
From farm to tray, that is the journey of the world's most famous burger.